Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Hasna. Today we would like to present about our group project, which is Getronics solution. This is our group members.
Companies will be considered successful when organizational and financial data are managed consistently using effective information system. An information system is a collection of technological tools and strategies used to store, manage, organize, and retrieve information digitally. They can be either hardware or software, and they use computer systems to perform operations such as analysis and data storage. Information systems are used primarily in technology as a platform to acquire and process information.
So now I would like to present about the organization background. Getronics Solution is a company that does a comprehensive preparation for a range of information communication technology products and service. For example, producing network product, telecommunication product, desktop computer, printers and hardware. There are some background of this company. The company was founded in 1887 based in Amsterdam. The company was known as GVPC and the company also has provide electrical installation service such as monitoring and control of public facilities and shipping during that time. After 63 of operation, the holding company, which is GVPC, has changed the company name again. They chose the name Grandpol NV as the company new name in 1915. While in 1968, Grandpol NV merged with another listed company, which is Getronics SA. Next, Getronics NV was the new name for the company in 1988, and the company's main focus was to become network and computer maintenance. There are a lot of efforts that have been successful and have made Getronics as a truly global player, and this is strategically beneficial when working with Getronics international customer. In 1920, the company has progressed. At that time, GSH Private Capital acquired Getronics and led by Canton Fine, who is a key figure in the service industry. Canton Fine and his management team have renewed Getronics' core focus on innovation and world-class customer service delivery. The company is over 113 years old. Now, the company already has 3,700 in their team, and the company has also expanded to 20 countries across Europe, Latin America, and Asia Pacific.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Syamila Aida binti Jamrin alias Amin. Now, I will talk about the corporate vision, mission, objective and value. Our vision is to rethink how digital technologies may change the future, one customer at a time. Our mission is integrating existing and evolving technologies to provide greater business results and an excellent user experience. And then, our objective is to reimagine the digital future and workplace experience, and end-to-end automation is in line with that vision. Getronics digital workplace solutions give an always-on, intuitive experience regardless of where your employees work or what devices they utilize. We combine the finesse in secure mobility, managed office, and unified communications and collaborations, all backed up by local experience and support in over 185 countries. Moreover, our values is we can create a unique experience that our clients recognize and enjoy because we focus on quality and agility. There are 5 values in Getronics solutions, such as we are authentic, we are curious, we are believe in people, we are customer obsessed, and we are courageous.
So next is functional description of department. The function of IT department in this company is to maintain server for customer. The department also function as responding and diagnosing complex hardware, software, and network problem in a customer-focused environment. Furthermore, staff in this department will also prioritize and resolve issues identified by customer and other terms in a timely manner. In addition, the function in this department is to update customer on their status or troubleshooting according to the Service Level Agreement or SLA. The department will also be tasked with escalating the problem as necessary, monitored IT service, processes, and workflow to ensure SLA were met. So next, the function of department is data entry, which is they will collect and keep important data to ensure coordinating and appropriate level of service are provided to all customers, including SLA management. In this department, staff will also manage customer expectations and delivery to commitment. Other than that, they are also controlling billing data, including charger activity, and as in managing customer challenge to billing information. Lastly, providing global network service. For example, Getronics provides a global range network service for Ford Motor companies, which is one of the companies from the world leading automotive. Employees in this department will do a global support service to other companies, such as supported device hardware fix, provide fault solution support at network site problem, and implementation of physical change to network device.
Next is role and function of departments, division, or unit. The first one is IT department. In order to prevent data loss and downtime, server maintenance refers to the practice of keeping server software updated and functioning effectively. That work can run smoothly and organization can avoid a partial or complete network failure with routine server maintenance. It is very important to constantly maintain the server used in the company, as server failure may result in unexpected issues that create downtime and affect the performance of the company. Second one is administrative department. An administrative position that is frequently seen in corporate office is data entry. By entering specific client and account information into spreadsheet, they help the company's numerous divisions. Its duties include entering the customer's personal data that has been collected through forms and spreadsheets into the database. Next, Getronics solution need to make sure all data is accurate and inform the management of any strange decisions, and before entering the data into the software application, collect and check that all information is complete.
Hi, my name is Siti Ainul Nurizati, and the next topic is about the data used in Getronics solution Sendirian Berhad. The data would be gathered by the system at different time and from different places. This will guarantee that the data is of the necessary types. Both numerical and alphanumeric data will be handled by all systems at Getronics Solution Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. The information is gathered from the original paperwork, some of which is electronically recorded. As example, although some import data is extracted from document and placed into the system, other data points are accessible in electronic form. The system will process the data and deliver the necessary information. They will be able to decide what to do and take appropriate action as a result. The system converts the data that was collected via transaction processing system into information. The management of the organization will be able to learn by examining the reports produced by the system.
All of the companies will have various information system modules in place to conduct their company in the long term. In a highly automated and competitive global corporate world, information system technology is vital to the several of the company organizations. In Getronics Solutions Sendian Berhad, it has a number of various systems in a place, which ensure that their company's operations are properly in place. There are three main systems available in the company. First is Cisco. Cisco is the world's leading manufacturer of network solutions in the field of information technology. This is the system utilized by this company, which was founded to provide end-to-end solutions for enterprise and service provider clients. Getronics and Cisco strengthened their collaborations to help and assist their clients in mission-critical IP networks situations. Second is Microsoft. Microsoft is a multinational computer technology corporation that creates, manufactures, licenses, and maintains a wide range of software products for use in computers. They are committed to enhancing human and organizational excellence. This is a system that includes a technological master to boost connection and nurture an efficient workflow. Microsoft new state-of-the-art facility will support Getronics customers in Malaysia and around the world, not just supporting their affiliates. Third is Zoho Assist. Zoho Assist is cloud-based remote assistance software that enables the customers to connect securely with a remote desktop. This is a system that may help distant clients Getronics from anywhere using unattended remote support sessions and attended remote support sessions at any time. The system also set up remote PC access to expedite troubleshooting and assure client delight. In list of information systems, the mentioned information systems have diverse qualities when it comes to company orientation. So, this represents the primary types of systems under examinations.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam Has. My name is Muhammad Shazwa Hakimi bin Mat Salam, and I would like to continue our presentation in 9.0 Details of Selected Information System. The system that we choose for this assignment is Cisco. For introduction, Cisco assists in seizing tomorrow's prospects by demonstrating that remarkable things can happen when people connect the disconnected, creating long-term customer partnerships, working together to uncover customers' requirements and create solutions that fuel their success is an essential component of its DNA. Since its inception in 1984, Cisco has maintained a particular focus on solving business difficulties. Leonard Bozak and Sandy Lerner, both employees of Stanford University, wish to contact one another from their various workplaces, but technological limitations prevented them from doing so. To cope with diverse local area protocols, a technology had to be devised, and as a result of overcoming their problem, the multi-protocol router was born. Cisco System Incorporation, or simply Cisco, is an American global technology company headquartered in San Jose, California. Cisco is a company that develops, manufactures, and distributes networking hardware, software, telecommunication equipment, and other high technology services and products. Cisco focused on specialized technology areas such as the Internet of Things (IoT), domain security, video conferencing, and energy management with leading products such as Webex, OpenDNS, Jabber, Dual Security, and Jasper. When we look into history of Cisco, Leonard Bozard and Sandra Lerner, a married couple who met while attending Stanford University, founded Cisco Systems. In December 1984, the two co-founded Cisco Systems, initially spelled Cisco System, naming the firm after San Francisco. Cisco's initial product, a network interface card for Digital Equipment Corporation computers, was introduced in 1985. In the early 1990s, Cisco Systems expanded fast. Moreover, Cisco's initial acquisition, Crescendo Communications, enabled them to make a significant advance into the sector of networking into network switching equipment. Cisco purchased Celsius Systems in 1998, a business with expertise in internet telephony that aided Cisco in gaining a strong position in VoIP technology. Cisco created telepresence in 2006, an evolution of video conferencing that allows individuals in distant places to communicate as if they were in the same place. Lastly, Cisco's networking skills established them as a dominant producer of devices for the Internet of Things, a notion that is frequently attributed to Cisco. This is products and services offered by Cisco. There are four categories that are available. The first one is corporate market. Enterprise networking and service providers are referred to as the corporate market. Secondly, small business. Home companies and typically technology-based startups are examples of small business. Thirdly, home user. Individuals or families that demand networking services in their homes are referred to as home users. And last, VoIP services or Voice over Internet Protocol. Cisco has expanded into the home user market with the acquisition of Scientific Atlanta and Linksys. The table 1 shows the corporate market or products and services offered for corporate market. Next, this table display that products and services for small businesses. Furthermore, this table shows that products and services for home users, such as broadband and video flipping. For VoIP services or Voice over Internet Protocol, this is the list of products and services for VoIP services.
Next is information system component. An information system is a network of connected, coordinated components that work together to transform input into information. Fundamentally, Getronics Solution Malaysia Information System is composed of the following 5 elements, which is hardware, software, databases, networks, and people, which is the staff. The first one is hardware. Cisco offers cloud computing, data center switching, storage networking, and unified computing. Next, software. Getronics Solution Malaysia using Manage Engine and Command Prompt as management tool. Database. Getronics uses Manage Engine Configuration Databases, a program that allows for the creation or modification of objects and attributes as well as database customization. Next, Getronics uses Cisco as network that specialize in switches, routers, cybersecurity, and Internet of Things. Lastly is the staff that required to operate the system and the process they focus on to transform the information content in enormous databases for future action. The complete database's environment must be understood and managed by database administrator.
Lastly, I would like to present about information system activities. Input, process, and output are the three activities in an information system that produce the information needed by an organization. In Getronic companies, their output is to capture or collect raw data from within the organization or from its external environment. For example, this company collect data or problems faced by the Ford company. Among those obtained was that they found the Ford company began a search for a global IT support provider capable of delivery on-site network service for data center, office, warehouse, and for critical production facilities, especially in North America, Europe. Next is processing convert this raw input into a meaningful form. For example, the Getronic companies has provide global support service to the Ford company, such as support device hardware repairs, providing fault isolation support at network site problem, and implementation of physical change to network device. Lastly is information system also require feedback, which is output that is returned to the appropriate members of the organization to help them evaluate or correct the level of input. For example, after providing the global support service to Ford company, Getronic has received feedback from the result of the service they offer. Among them, Getronic has greatly improved efficiency and functionality as well. Other than that, Getronic has also managed to improve performance by providing delivery with consistency quality. That's all from me. Thank you.
To continue our group presentation, we move on to next content, which is hardware and software configuration for Cisco. As you can see in this table, this is the hardware requirements for Cisco Data Center Network Management or DCNM Storage Area Networks SAN deployment. This table describes the deployment type, which is Windows, Linux, OVA/ISO standalone. There are three variations of requirements for Cisco DCNM, which is small, like or POC, large for production, and huge production with sun insights. Next, this is hardware requirements for Cisco DCNM IPFM deployment. There are open visualization appliance or optical medium file over an ISO for small or large requirements. Next, we move on to system requirements for Cisco DCNM local area network or LAN fabric deployment. There are OVA/ISO deployment type. We move on to next content, hardware supported in Cisco. Cisco DCNM, Sun Desktop Client, and Cisco Device Manager support Microsoft Windows 10, Microsoft Windows 2012, Microsoft Windows 2016, and Red Hat Linux. The following list is the minimum hardware requirements for this client system. This is the software requirements for Cisco. There are three supported web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. There are also other supported software that consists of two components, which is security and OVA/ISO installers.
Getronics information system problem. There are three of them. The first one is operation. The operation of the system is not run well. The computer procedures that process information malfunction, preventing timely and effective information delivery. And then its too many failed jobs result in excessive repeats, miss or delay information delivery deadlines, and fail of delay job. A system that operates online could be insufficient operationally because of slow reaction time. Next is Getronics debt problem. One of the biggest IT services provider in Europe, Getronics is trying to reorganize its finances, but this is worrying its current client and losing the company new business. Since Getronics announced a second round of job losses in November, which further reduced its cost base, clients have reportedly been inquiring about the company future. Getronics issues grew worse when the company was unable to convince investors to support a crucial debt exchange. Next is cost. Some systems perform well, but the implementation and production costs could be far higher than expected. Other system initiatives could be too expensive to finish. In both situations, the high cost cannot be justified by the information proven commercial worth. The conversion of bonds into shares, according to Getronics chairman and CEO Peter Van Voos, would erase market concern and take away any uncertainty that may exist regarding the financial soundness of Getronics. Next is how the information are helping the company. But when we start, we're gonna know what is the service desk is. A more effective and productive work environment is ensured by minimizing incident and disruption and providing appropriate assistance. A satisfying digital experience is valued by users. Getronics offer a variety of service desk options, from a straightforward one-level assistance model to a fully managed service desk. And this how information are helping the company. The first one is service desk management. We provide a complete managed service desk solution with assured quality and performance that support 22 languages from dedicated or shared environments across various channels and covers all handling, problem resolution, third-party management and escalation management. Next is problem solving. An integral component of our service desk system is problem management. With the aim of reducing issue number, we provide specialist dedicated or multi-tenanted system to proactively analyze ticket and identify root causes. Next is change administration, the constantly evolving IT environment that support company demand require quick adaptation from the company, and the offer worldwide change management capability require a partner. And then they set up change advisory board, handle the administration of change management, and monitor all modification, stakeholder, and testing. This make it possible for successful, generally global change management approach. Next is asset control. Asset and configuration management is crucial to IT organization ability to increase visibility and utilization while lowering compliance risks and financial exposure. They keep track of how many software licenses you require, how many you currently have and they are used. Too many expensive and too few are dangerous. To help IT, finance, and procurement organization, they establish golden record of all the hardware assets in your business and manage them throughout their existence. And the last one is customer service automation.
Next, I will continue with the SWOT analysis of information system in Getronics Solution Company. The first one is strength. The strength of information system in this company is easy to solve problems, guarantee of privacy and security, and the last one is maintain job performance. The next one is the weakness of information system in this company. The first one is inability to identify internet connection or phone call from the users. The second one is take a while for professionals to use the system. And the last one is expertise to teach all employees and customers. There is also have opportunities of information system in Getronics solution, which is Getronics solution is able to solve every IT problem, and the system also user friendly. Last but not least is their threat, which is phishing attacks, and the large amount of redundant data are often found in their internet system. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next is recommendation and action plan. We need to keep making these systems better in aim to discuss the weaknesses, starting with the issue of bad internet connections. First, Getronics solution must remove and limit any programs that use a lot of bandwidth to fix this problem. Second, place the corporate Wi-Fi router in a location in the workplace where it can provide a strong, uninterrupted signal to the greatest number of users to maximize its performance. And the last one is, even if they are less concerned about internet speed when it comes to cybercrime, doing frequent virus scans will certainly preserve the internet speed at a steady range.
For the conclusion, Getronics is a global ICT integrator with an extensive history that extends over 130 years. With over 3,700 colleges across Europe, Asia Pacific and Latin America, Getronics' vision is to reimagine the digital future with customers. By doing this, leveraging an integrated and secure by design portfolio around digital workplace, business applications, smart space, multi-cloud, field on on-site support service days, network infrastructure, and security of compliance. This is to serve more than 1,800 customers in both public and private sector. Getronics is the leading member of the Global Workspace Alliance. This unique model provides customers with consistent IT services across 185 countries with one single point of contact and billing entity, yet maintaining the local touch and flexibility of a local partner. That's all from me. Thank you.